Right. The initial document you got would have said 9 o'clock, but you should have gotten another notice from the court giving you a Zoom time to call in. Do you have that document with you?
I don't, ma'am. What I did is I lost my paper and I called yesterday, and what I was told.
I'm having a hard time hearing you, sir.
I was told yesterday. I called yesterday to the office. I was told that I was gonna have court today, and I'm not sure if it was 9 or 10, but I do know it was in the morning, ma'am. But I lost the paper. It was actually sent to my parents' house.
Okay, I'm having a very hard time hearing you. I'm going to mute you for a little bit and try and figure out how to make this volume louder.
Okay, ma'am.
Mr. Garza, we don't have you on the docket for today, but we're looking for December. Do you know if you were, okay. You need to unmute your phone, Mr. Garza.
I just unmuted.
There we go. Great. I can hear you now.
Awesome.
Okay, we found your file. Here we go.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, so in looking at your file, it looks like you received an offense for no driver's license. And this offense occurred on November 12 of 2020. So what I'm going to do with you right now, Mr. Garza, is go over the plea form with you because you need to go ahead and enter a plea. If you have any questions when I'm going over them with you, just let me know. I'll be glad to explain it. The first choice you have on the form is what we call a plea of nolo contendere. That is Latin for no contest. That means that you are not admitting or denying that you committed the offense, but you're telling the court you want to get it taken care of. The second choice you have on that plea form is a plea of guilty. Okay, yes, you did it. Or the third choice is a plea of not guilty. No, I didn't do it, or I had a driver's license, I just didn't have it with me. Or I want my day in court. So do you have any questions on any of these?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so which plea would you like me to sign your name to, Mr. Garza?
No content.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm signing your name, Amador Garza Jr., with permission. Okay, Mr. Garza, I need a good address and phone number, please.
1808 Helen Street. The number is going to be 361-453-2425. 2425.
2425, got it. And so what I'm doing is I'm writing your name on here. And what will happen is my clerk will send you a copy of this form. So now to get this taken care of, the fine and court costs for this offense are a total of $136. And it looks like you owe some Omni fees. And so when we add the Omni fees to this offense, it's a total of $226. Now, what Omni is, let me go over that with you in case you don't know, but Omni is a database that your name will get sent to if you owe any money to the court, and so here you have a balance. Once this is paid, then your driver's license, you'll be able to get it reinstated or renewed. Okay. Yes. But it doesn't automatically happen. There'll be a form probably that you need to fill out after this amount is paid. So knowing that, how would you like to get this taken care of, sir?
Right now I'm trying to do unemployment. I'm still unemployed, and
I'm sorry about that.
I recently just came out of jail again, and I was running through the courts to do time served on a lot of those tickets that I have. So the best way that maybe we could do something is probably payments. And I really want to get this out of the way. So if not payments, community service.
We can't do any community service right now because of COVID. But did you
Yeah.
say you were in jail and you just got out? When did you get out?
I got out probably like right before Christmas. But even at that, I haven't been able to find a job. I did send everything to y'all's office, and I got some stuff back for time served. But then I sent in my no contents, and I sent in what it was a plea for you guys on the papers, and then I never got nothing back. And I think it was because maybe I might have been released.
Okay. Well, you can still get credit for time served, but what I need from you is the document showing your date in and date out to see if you're eligible for that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, the credit for time served will only take care of your fine and court costs. It will not take care of your Omni fees. Those
Yes,
will
ma'am.
still be outstanding and still stand in the way between you and your driver's license. Do you understand that?
Yes, man. Because right now I have an extreme amount of fees with you guys. So I knew when I saw them, I had about 8 of them that I was looking at with Richard De Leon. To
Okay.
take.
No. This is municipal court. I'm the judge.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry
Okay,
about that.
if you have something outstanding with Judge De Leon, that is something else. Here in our court, municipal court, which is for the city of Alice, you owe a total of $226. That's very doable, okay?
Yeah,
So
it's very doable,
what
Miss
I
Lemon.
need for you to do, if you want to go ahead and try and get credit for time served, you need to go, which jail were you incarcerated in? Was it the Jim Wells County Jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so call them and give them your name and your date of birth and tell them that you are needing a document that shows your date in and your date out.
Okay.
And tell them that you need it from municipal court. They will give you directions on how to go pick it up and when to pick it up, all that stuff. You can't just walk in because
Yes,
of COVID. Once you get that, then I'm going to give you a court date. Let me look to see what my next court date is.
January the 25th.
January 25th. And that way you can go ahead and come in or actually drop off those documents before that date because we'll have to do everything by Zoom. So if you can just
Yes,
drop
ma'am.
off the documents to municipal court and that way I can have them and we can go over them together on that January 25th date. So that's going to be your next court date.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Miss Lemon. But anyway, if I can't get this document, is there like can I do 2 payments by any way before January 25th to take care of this ticket or this fine?
Absolutely. Do you want to do that instead?
Well, actually, I really want to try to get it out the way, and I know it's not so much. Like I was looking at all of it, everything being like maybe 2,600 with the other court fees,
Okay.
but you're
No.
at about 230.
Here it's not that.
Yes, ma'am. You said about 200 and
$226, sir.
$226. Yes, ma'am. If you can give me till, February 1st, maybe I can probably give you guys 2 payments.
So, okay, so let me make sure that I understand. So by February 1st, it will be paid completely off or your first payment will be made?
My first payment will be made.
Okay.
And like I can give half of a payment. I mean,
Okay.
whatever it takes to.
Sure. So if it's
Yes.
226, half will be
One-
113.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll make $113 payment. I'm going to say on or before
For February 1st.
February 1st. Okay, now,
Yes, ma'am.
then by when would you be able to make your second payment?
Let's try to do it within the next month. I would say, or 2 weeks, whatever you need done. I know.
Well, this is
either
a
2
deal,
weeks or monthly.
Mr. Garza, if you're able to pay the entire amount within
I'm
30
not.
days, then, but you need to understand, within 30 days, then it'll just be this amount. If you need more than 30 days, we can accommodate you, but we have to add a time payment fee.
Oh, I understand. Okay.
Okay, so it'll be a little bit more. I just want to make sure that we're clear. So,
Well, that's something I need to know, ma'am. So like right now that times are hard, I really don't want to take any more fees. So what I'll
Right.
try to do is try to clear it out within the 30 days. And if I
Okay.
don't, I will make sure that I clear it out within 50 days so that I don't have to do another time fee.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and have my clerk give you a reset
Okay.
to March 8.
March
Okay?
8th.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
And that way, if you have not been able for whatever reason to pay it all off and we need to work out a different payment plan, you know, when you get that notice, it'll have the Zoom number so you can call in on that date and we can address how much time you need and help you and work that out with you. If you have already paid it all off by that date, then don't even worry. You don't have to call in. You'll be done with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you gave me your good address, so that'll be where we send you the reset notice and the
Okay.
time. And like we said, you know, if you make your first payment on or before February 1st, if you need more than 30 days, just know that there will be an additional fee that gets added. So your next payment will be more than $113. And if you're able to get it all taken care of, then that's good. If something happens and you're not able to finish paying off by March 8th, then you come in. Well, I'm so used to saying come in. Then you'll call in and we can get you taken care of then.
Sounds great. Sounds
Okay,
great.
do you have any other questions?
I do not, Miss Lemon. Everything sounds great. I will make
Great.
sure we try to take care of this without any more fees, ma'am. And you guys have a great morning.
Thank you. You
Anything
too,
else?
Mr. Garza. Thank you for
God
calling
bless
in,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. I'm exhausted. Yes, I would like a water. Let me give this to Joanne. No, don't worry. It is 1808 Howard Street. Well, but honest his mother. Yeah. Well, they have that big house, and then that house goes up. Has like an apartment in the back. So I don't know if that's. Who do you have, David?
Noe Gonzalez.
You don't have any headaches or shoulder pain?
A little busy.
I know. You look so handsome.
I think it was.
Coat and so you look very dapper.
He's in there, I saw
Thank you.
him. Whatever Talarientos
Like
was
when
in
your
here.
dogs, they come out and they just all.
That's where he's at, because I remember seeing him.
Oh, well, that was a lot of Zoom.
Yeah.
No, I know how good Garcia feels.
No, they don't.
Can you put it bigger?
I did.
No, but like on the top, your time is, because they don't get it, right?
They don't. All those people that came in this morning, they weren't supposed to be here at that time. And I explained to them, I said, we sent you a notice. Is this this is the address I sent you? Oh, that's not my address. Oh, that's not my address. That's not our fault.
That's what they should.
You know, the other thing is, you can make them wait in their car.
Yeah,
with their
we already told Daniel.
And,
Daniel already said that because.
yeah, and then the other thing that we might want to do is like our court rules that we have. We need to make sure that there's a copy for the firemen and for our bailiff.
Oh,
Because we've been having different ones, that way we know what they,
Blast it on the side.
right.
Like take it.
Yeah.
They'll know.
And they kind of know already, but
March 8th.
have any more people been getting in here, our police officers? And-
Yeah, but we're trying to, like, us, that we're trying to get on.
But we can. You might be able to. Do yours pause? Do they, your thyroid, is that?
No, but I was laughing with Joe, and I go, obesity counts. But check your fat mass.
Oh, okay, then you can wait, yeah. We'll take it to Christina, let her know that he's gonna call in, because she doesn't have, we'll call you.
Okay. Sorry, the iPad's just not ready.
Okay.
You voted for chocolate?
Yes, I did.
They want us to meet?
Mhm.
Okay, they'll have to do.
Yeah, they're setting up a computer over
Okay,
there.
then put us in the room.
Okay, and I'll put you in chat.
What was his name?
Noe Gonzalez.
No, we don't tell us. Oh, but that,
Is that a new one, like one that I reviewed or no? Oh, it's a new one, Jesse. He still has to see Judge. And then she'll put us in the chat.
yeah, because he'll need to do his,
Like the initial plea?
yeah, he'll need to do the plea. You want to give it to me?
Yeah, give her the file, yeah, then she'll put us, I'll talk to him.
Yeah, and then I can put him in a room.
No pares here.
What was the charge?
He's got 3.
Oh, he's got 3 judges.
Noe Gonzalez.
And then I'll talk to him. So talk to him and then I'll, because I check.
He's trying to,
I only have 2 plea forms here.
he's trying to set up the computer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there's only 2. Failure to maintain and driving with license suspended.
Thank you.
Is that all Hills? Marie Gonzalez?
Hi, Joanne. You're very confined here. I didn't realize how little space you had. You're very confined over here. I'm used to like all my room, I can spread out.
Oh, I know.
Well, plus I get anxiety, like, I hate being.
It's a big difference from here. It's like, yeah.
Tell me when he's.
Let me look. Yes.
Okay, he's got stuff.
So there's 3 of y'all, y'all can share.
Are we missing one? See, I know. I see here we're missing
No, that's
failure to yield right of way.
unit 1. He's unit 2.
Oh,
right?
okay. I don't know.
He's unit 2, so he only has 2.
Okay.
Noe Gonzalez, he has a balance with us.
Did you get that?
545.90. What is that? 464. Okay, yeah, he just owes something else. I did get it
So that's the total?
right here. 545. Yeah, 'cause he's
Including-
got some old stuff, including that
Oh,
one.
that's not.
Yes. No.
No, Mr. Garza, $2,600. I was like, shit. I know you're.
Well, he just got Judge on credit. That's why in July.
Okay.
So he probably did owe
But
that
no.
much with us.
With Judge De Leon, he owes $2,600. Because he was saying, oh, Judge De Leon, me pasa con
Don't
this.
forget that the light is still on, so they can see.
Oh,
I'm just telling
they
you.
can see her, but not hear her, right?
No, they can't hear